Hello friends, in our previous videos we have discussed some questions related to B.Ed course number 201 Quality and Management of School Education. Now in this video let us discuss some more questions related to B.Ed 201. Question number 1. Dash is an old traditional concept and autocratic in nature. Options are option number 1 educational management, option number 2 time management, option number 3 event management, and option number 4 educational administration. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is educational administration. That means educational administration is an old traditional concept and which is autocratic in nature. Next question, question number 2. Arrange functions of management sequentially. A. Controlling, B. Planning, C. Direction, and the D. Organization. These are some functions of management and we have to arrange these functions sequentially. And the options are B, D, C, A. Option number 2, A, B, D, C. Option number 3, C, A, D, B. And the option number 4, D, C, B, A. So, if we see the functions of management carefully, we can understand that planning comes first, then organization, then direction, and then controlling. So the correct answer is option number 1, that is B, D, C, A. That means planning, organization, direction, and controlling. Next question, question number 3. Dash is a modern concept and lays more stress on democratic decentralization and participation. And the options are first, educational management, second, time management, third, event management, and the fourth one, educational administration. Here you might get confused between the answers educational management and educational administration, but the correct answer is answer number 1, that is educational management. So educational management is a modern concept and lays more stress on democratic decentralization and participation, and the educational administration is a old concept and which lays more stress on autocratic in nature. Question number 4. Dash is the process of guiding human efforts and achieving aims and objectives. And the options are option number 1 controlling, option number 2 direction, option number 3 planning, and option number 4 coordination. And the correct answer is option number 2, that is direction. So direction is the process of guiding human efforts and achieving aims and objectives. Next question, question number 5. Dash is known as father of management, and the options are option number 1 Follett, option number 2 Henry Fayol, option number 3 Stephen Covey, and option number 4 Edwards. And the correct answer is option number 2, that is Henry Fayol. Henry Fayol is recognized as the father of management. Next question, question number 6. Dash refers to the wide variety of skills and techniques that teachers use to keep students organized, orderly, focused, and academically productive during a class. And the options are educational management. Second, time management. Third, event management. And the fourth one is classroom management. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is classroom management. Next question, question number 7. Dash is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. And the options are educational management, second, time management, third, event management, and the fourth one is classroom management. And the correct answer is option number 2, that is time management. So time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and productivity. Next question is question number 8. Dash is the application of project management to the creation and development of small and large scale personal and corporate events. And the options are option number 1, educational management, option number 2, time management, option number 3, event management, and option number 4, classroom management. Here you might get confused between the options. It may be educational management, time management, event management, or classroom management. But if you carefully read the question itself suggests you the answer. So the correct answer of this question is option number 3, that is event management. Next question, question number 9. The most effective leader is one who, options are option number 1, makes managerial decisions without consulting others. Second, works with managers and employees to make decisions. Third, leadership style most appropriate to the situation and the employee involved. And the fourth one, autocratic in nature. So the correct answer is option number 3, that is leadership style most appropriate to the situation and the employee involved. So the most effective leader, or the most important quality of the effective leader, is who is having leadership style most appropriate to the situation and the employee involved. Next question, question number 10. Dash is not the principle of Henry Fayol's theory of management. Options are centralization, second, remuneration, third, initiative, and the fourth one, vision. So Henry Fayol has given 14 principles of management in his theory, and the upper 3, that is centralization, remuneration, and initiative, are the principles of Henry Fayol's theory of management. And if you read the question carefully, question is asking which is not the principle of Henry Fayol's theory of management. So options number 1, 2, and 3 are the principle of Henry Fayol's theory of management, but the last one, that is option number 4, vision, is not the principle of Henry Fayol's theory of management. So the correct answer is option number 4, that is vision. Next question, question number 11. Dash theory is also known as administrative management theory. Options are option number 1, Peter Drucker, option number 2, Follett, option number 3, Taylor, and the option number 4, Henry Fayol. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is Henry Fayol. So Henry Fayol's theory is also known as administrative management theory. Question number 12. Dash aims at regulating activities in a group. And the options are planning, discipline, controlling, and coordinating. Here you might get confused amongst these options because all the options are functions of management. But as the question asks like that, which of the following function aims at regulating activities in a group? So question itself gives you hint, that is regulating. Who regulates? That is controlling. So the correct answer is option number 3, that is controlling. So for regulating or making management in discipline, there should be a control over that. So controlling aims at regulating activities in a group. Next question, question number 13. Dash advocated the principle of right man in the right place for the right job. And the options are option number 1, Peter Drucker, option number 2, Follett, option number 3, Taylor, and the option number 4, Henry Fayol. And the correct answer is option number 4, that is Henry Fayol. Next question, question number 14. MCERT stands for, and the options are option number 1, National Council of Educational Research and Training, option number 2, National Committee of Educational Research and Teaching, option number 3, National Council of Environmental Research and Training, option number 4, National Council of Education, Rehabilitation and Training. So the correct answer is NCERT stands for, that is option number 1, National Council of Educational Research and Training. Next question, MBO was introduced by Peter Drucker in dash, and the options are in 1954, in 1964, in 1974, and the last one in 1955. And the correct answer is option number 1, that is 1954. So MBO, that is management by objectives, was introduced by Peter Drucker in the year 1954. So these are some questions which are related to the B.Ed course 201. In our next video, we will discuss some more questions related to B.Ed course 201. Thanks.